Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to claim free airdrops. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get this notification. So what is airdrop? Each token or each coin, they have their airdrops, they have their reward. So if you become a part of that token, if you should invest in that token, so automatically they will give reward to you. For example, like there is Bitcoin or there is another altcoins. If you invest on that, like in the any of cryptocurrency exchanges, for example, if you stake that, you will earn another reward, another token. So like I staked my VChain token on the Binance, so daily I'm earning another token. So this is the called airdrop. So in here, step by step, I will show you the best website and the best platform where you can earn free airdrops. So here I will open the browser before navigating to the video. If you are new here, navigate to IntoCrypto, check out the videos about cryptocurrency, Binance and other mining tutorials, because every day we are uploading different videos about cryptocurrency updates. So let's navigate to the coin market cap. Unfortunately, Bitcoin in the last 24 hours dropped its own price. The all cryptocurrency market, just its price dropped from 1.73 trillion as I checked last 24 hours, and it was 1.73 trillion, and now it is 1.67 trillion. 4.05% of overall cryptocurrency market crushed. Bitcoin $36,943, Ethereum $2,502. So this is the condition of the market. So here open up a new tab for claiming or redeeming free airdrops through this website. Type CoinVote. You can see that coinvote.cc. This is the official website that you can freely redeem or claim free airdrops. And there is the CoinVote, today's most voted cryptocurrency. Click on this. Once you come here, you can see that this is the coins, the promoted coins. You can see there are lots of coins which you can find out from here as a pre-sale token, as a pre-sale coin. Like there is the income, Meta Blackout, Doge DI. This is the coins that you can buy as a pre-sale token. Here is the all-time. You can see that there is the pre-sale option or the coin that will be launched soon. Here is the pre-sale, the trending, the today soon launch. There is the new, click on the soon launch. You can see that 15 February 2022, you can find out the coins that you want to buy as a pre-sale. You can buy those tokens which give you more profit. So how to claim airdrop, free airdrop through this website? For claiming the airdrop, you need whether that is Trust Wallet or MetaMask Wallet or any other decentralized exchanges on your computer. Like as you can see that currently I'm using MetaMask, so I will show you how to claim a token or how to claim airdrop from here. Click on the airdrops option. Don't forget that if you are a developer and you have token, you have coin, you can put your token coin in this website. This website having lots of visitor every day, that you can see there are lots of token just listed as a pre-sale token here. You can see this the ongoing airdrops listed below are the all listed below are all the exclusive crypto airdrops, cryptocurrencies, tokens and other crypto assets. So this is the tokens. Each of the tokens are having different procedure. So as I've tested this, the third one, I will open this and show you how you can collect the airdrop of this token. This is the CoinVote website. Here is the claim. Visit site and submit you Binance Smart Chain wallet. You can request a momental withdrawal when you reach 0.1 YFIX. If you don't want to invite other people, just wait for the airdrop to end. Top 3 referrals will get 500. So you can refer your friends to claim or to redeem this airdrop. So you can see that top 3 referrals will get additional $500. So click on the claim option. This is the yfixchain.org. This is the official website of this token. Here is the yfix chain is a powerful DeFi platform on Binance Smart Chain. Is a foregone FI. It is a decentralized one-step platform on a smart chain focusing on low transaction cost, high transaction speeds, as well as a simplistic and straightforward users experience via highly innovative user interface. This is their Telegram, and here is the airdrop option. Let me check this token before claiming its airdrop. Here is the about yfix chain. Why to choose is a suite of products, decentralized finance DeFi that provides leading aggregation, yield generation, and insurance on Binance Smart Chain. The protocol is maintained by various independent developers and is governed by yfix holders. Benefits of using our solution. This is our yfix mission. There is the referral contest. Let's check. Top 10 referrals will receive 1,000 bonus. You can see there are top 10 referral have 24 referrals, 37 referrals, 42 referrals, 71 referrals. These are the people that who should refer their friends 180 times. They will get 1,000 additional bonus. This is the 24 referrals. So there is the token pre-sale. You can buy this token as a pre-sale also. Pre-sale time 25/1/2022, 31/1/2022. Tomorrow will be the last day of this token as a pre-sale. Pre-sale quantity 10,000 yfix, 25%. Pre-sale price 1 BNB, 10 yfix token. Mini buy is 0.101 BNB and max buy is 25 BNB. Send BNB from your wallet to the pre-sale address below. Our system will send a yfix token to your wallet instantly. This is the pre-sale address. So there is the token delivery reminder. This is the airdrop ending. This is the airdrop option where you can earn free airdrop of this token. In this part, there is the empty place. How you can copy your MetaMask or Trust Wallet address. Simply go to your MetaMask, open it. Here is the address. Copy this. In this place, as I claimed this airdrop, so in this place there is an empty place. Simply click in this and paste your address, then click on the claim reward. Here is the after claiming the reward, you can see there is the referral link that you can share it with your friends. Copy and share your referral link. You will be rewarded 0.01 yfix and the invite will be rewarded 0.05 yfix. At the same time, each person can invite up to 100 people and the reward can be up to 1 yfix token. So here is the yfix balance. There is the referred. So there is the 0.05 yfix rewarded. If you should click on this link, you will copy this and click on the withdraw. Once you have completed the amount of 0.1 yfix, keep referring, you can transfer it to your wallet. If we navigate back to the website, you can check another airdrops also. Like if you should click on the first one, you can see that we are giving away 1 million FDE tokens to random 1,000 users who have completed the task. Join our Telegram group and stay active. Follow our Twitter and retweet latest tweet. More advantage to join Discord. Submit your BEP2 compatible address. Disclaimer: those who did not complete task will forfeit chance of receiving airdrops. Flex DeFi community reserve the right to cancel your application if you failed to complete the task. So this is the procedure to claim the airdrop of this token. There are 4 steps you have to complete this in order to get its airdrop freely. If you should click on the claim airdrop, you will navigate to its own official website. Like there is again, here is the 5 stages. The first one, you have joined your Telegram group. You have to fill this form. If you are done that, so click yes. Send your BEP2 compatible address. What is your Telegram user? You have to enter that. Your Reddit user. follow our Twitter page and send your tweet handle X. There is the answer. Send your retweet link, and there is your Discord name. Once you are done, click on this to submit your form. If we navigate to another token, another airdrop, you can see each of the airdrop, they have their different procedure to claim their freely airdrop. For example, if I should click on this one, you can see Detective View token is chart viewer, IDO service, and play to win platform. Total supply, there is 1 trillion token. Airdrop pool 50 million token. Please complete the task and receive 500 tokens. We will check it manually. Click on the claim reward to open its official website. Here you can see Detective View token airdrop bot. Welcome to Detective View bot airdrop. Please visit the Detective View token. So click on this to send a message through their Telegram. So each of the token is having the different procedure as I told you. So you can check this website and you can check each tokens, their procedure, how to complete the procedure and how to earn free airdrops. So guys, and this is the way how you can claim or redeem free airdrops. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will see you in the next one.